Hello, Cherry Berry here, and I am so excited because it has to do with this stick. Watch how long it is. It's about 5'7", and I'm going to decorate it. I'll tell you why. Okay, I have some kind of problem with my back. Wait a minute. I always got a hiccup. I don't know why. I'm so sorry. Hiccup burp. Anyway, oh, no, I didn't mean to do that. Okay. Now, I have a problem with my back, and I always had a problem with my back, and it's getting worse, and it's probably going to have to lead to surgery, which I don't want. This is why I don't exercise, because I have a problem with my back. Well, anyway, I picked up this stick, oh Lord, it was 5 years ago, I want to say 5 years ago, I picked up this stick. And the reason why I picked it up, it was like a lot of reasons, but it almost killed me. Okay, like, this part right here, like, my foot went on it, and it rolled, and the whole thing rolled, and I almost went down a hill, okay? I almost went down for the count. But, anyway, and now it's my life support. I don't like a regular cane or regular crutch, because this big heavy bitch here, a crutch or a cane will just snap in half like a twig. Once I get my back situated where I could start exercising on my little gazelle there, I will start losing weight, and I probably won't have to need this anymore. But I'm going to decorate this this staff. It's going to be my staff with all kinds of things. And I just got my purchases in the mail. Okay. Let's start by pouring things out onto my desk here. Okay, because it's a lot. I did not realize it was a lot until it came. Oh my God, I want to show you this last, but it might show its face here in 1 minute. Okay. Okay. I did not realize I had all this, but I do. Okay. The boring stuff first is the bottom of the cane, the staff. I keep calling it a cane because that's what these feet are for. Okay. Trusty hand scissors. Okay. These are for the bottoms of a cane. Okay. And I think they are awesome. Look at that. And it may not fit, but this bitch will make it fit, because I hunted these down. This one is a, it fits up to 5/8, 3/4, and 7/8. So 7/8 is what I need, because that end of that staff is 7/8. And if I can't get it on there, I will ask my man to do it. See like how small the hole is, and see how big this is. Now I measured this, and it was 7/8. We'll probably have to shave it down to fit it, you know, properly. That will happen. And it might happen on this video, since I just cleared a bunch of stuff off my memory. But anyway, there we have it. We have 2. Okay. These cost me mega bucks because I got them from the actual, what is it called? I can't think what it's called. Where you get canes and stuff, medical supplies from Amazon. I did not know Amazon had medical supplies. You look up medical supplies and you will see. Amazon's got it all. And God bless Amazon. Really. I mean, let's, you know, give thanks to Amazon because it is such a wonderful place to do shopping. For shopping for all kinds of needs. Okay, and here's some leather straps. They're suede. I think they're not real. Let's see. Yeah, faux. F-A-U-X. Faux. Yeah. Oh well, but they still smell good. But this is the strings that I'm going to, you know, tie stuff up with. Okay. And I'm going to leave it. No, I'm going to put it in the box here because there's limited countertop space. Anyway, here's another bag that I'm so excited to get mail, okay? And the only mail that I ever get, like packages and stuff, is bought by me. I'm not saying anybody to buy me anything because there's no address to buy me anything. And if you want to, you can. I'm not stopping you. I will appreciate all gifts, but you don't have to. Just be my friend here on YouTube. Okay. Oh my God. Look at these. These are beautiful. Oh my God. All of them are. I'm going to show you. I got 4 packs right here. These are the neon letters. Neon alphabet beads. Yeah. That's one. My staff is going to look killer. Okay. It's going to look killer. Here's the colorful ABC beads. See that? And here's the black and white beads. And then here's the, what do they say? Well, they're colorful, pastel beads. Okay. Then ow, I can't get my finger in the scissor hole. Let's see. Wow. This is a bag of beads, leather, bracelet making, color, spool, craft. It's a bunch of stuff. But yeah. So here's the spool that came with it, so I can make jewelry or something. Wait a minute, I need some light here. I don't know if I can reach it. Hold on. Ouch. It's my back. It's terrible. Okay. Oh, let me see here. 800 count of black bead set with polystring bracelet cord. Wait a minute. I swear with all the sirens going by, I swear I'm back in Chicago. But yeah, this, I love it. I love this, and I really do. So I got black beads and stuff. But here's some more faux leather strips. I guess I can't get real leather. I guess faux is good enough. But yeah. Here's some leather. Yeah, it's like, it smells like a newspaper, okay? Sniff a newspaper, that's what this smells like. For faux. I mean, it's like, I don't know, it's just very strong. I swear somebody was like, oh, you got the newspaper today? No, just got faux leather straps. But that's going to be wrapped around there. See, I'm going to paint half of it. And I don't think I'm going to do it today because I didn't prepare enough room. But I'm going to paint half of it white and I'm going to put like black stripes on it, you know. Here's another smaller leather strips. When I say leather, it's faux. F-A-U-X. Faux. Alright. There's some more. But it's more thinner. So when I wrap the thick part around it. Wait a minute. It's the same size. See? See, here's the... Yeah. Same size. However, when I wrap it around, and then, you know, it's like, I'm going to have, like, leather up here, and then down here, and then be colored beads and stuff like that throughout. Anyway. Alright, what do we got in this little pouch? Ooh, what is this? I love when they gave me a business card. If I could take all the business cards I have and wrap my house, I can wrap my house in business cards, for all the business cards I got. These are just black neon heart beads. See there? Alright. Bead tin. It's bead tin. See there? I know it's probably still backwards and everything, but it's www.beadtin.com. I know this is backwards and everything. I can't fix it. I just don't know how to make the camera not be backwards. Anyway, got some more leather straps. Okay. This is really interesting to me. Really, really interesting. And I'm finding hidden, what's it called? I'm finding hidden videos on my cameras, so I'm uploading them. Ooh. Enjoy your free gift. This free gift is what they gave me from the beadery. Isn't that cool? I'm not going to wear it now because my neck is fat. But yeah, this here is the do-it-yourself kit. And these are wooden beads. Yeah, my staff is going to look absolutely cute. Let's see. Oh, well. Yeah. Enjoy your free gift of your peace sign necklace for making purchases. Okay, for the pièce de résistance. You know how many years it took me to say that? Oh my God, I didn't realize how heavy it was. Oh, okay. My bead container. Just look at this. It is humongous. It came in a box all to itself. I'm going to open this and see what we got. Ooh, a deep compartment. Here's some ASMR. That sounds bad, but hey, it sounds like a typewriter, old typewriter. Wait. I don't know. But look at it. It's got a big, huge compartment. Now, I'm going to put all my leather straps in there. Because it's got holes in the side. I don't know why it got holes in the side. But if I put beads in there, they'll go through. See, look. See them holes like right here? Yeah. See that? It's quite a big of a hole. So I'm going to put the leather straps in there because I got so damn many. Oh my God. But I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna decorate that staff. And if my back gets better or I can lose some weight, you know, I'll have a good looking staff for my rituals. Yeah. Oh, and we finally got cable. Oh. I just wanted to put that out there. Where? I was going to say, I don't know where that other leather strapping went. Yeah, this is a nice little spot for my leather strips. I don't want to keep saying faux, okay, because I don't like that word. And then I'm going to close this up. And then I'm going to put my beads in this pocket here. Ow. Jeez. Come on. Oh, look at the door comes down and there's the drawers in there. Oh. Ooh, and they come out. That's nice. Ooh, they all come out and they all have like little spots where like they have their own little shelving. Oh my God. Wait a minute. Cranberry juice. Wait, these are nice bubbles. Love it. I know. It's annoying. Okay. They all have like little shelves to put this. So like if I put this on top of the shelf, it won't fall. So, yeah. I like it. I love it. This whole unit here was $60, I think. And I was like, you know, hopefully that it's big. I hope it's not like tiny and stuff. Because I'm not big on looking at measurements. And they all have like little dividers. Let's take... Uh-oh. Wait a minute. I can't pause. I can't reach, so... Hello? Hey. No. I mean, I'm taking, BC powders. Ask him if that's aspirin. Oh, I used to take a Mobic. Okay, that's a great pill. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. Okay, thanks. Bye, love you. Yeah, I used to take a Mobic. I don't care. I have nothing to hide, okay? I'm just telling you right now because there's this unit here where I can't reach over. It's a big deal. But anyway, they have these little dividers, which I believe we can cut them. Let's see. Yeah, we have to cut them. We, as opposed to you and me in the whole world cutting these. Okay. However, we won't sit here and cut them all. We'll just slide some dividers in. I think. Ooh, I can't see. There's a glare coming from that lamp. And, see how they fit? I'm pretty sure everybody knows how dividers work and stuff. It fits right down in there. And, I'm just going to put this away for right now. Oh, dear. Did I break it already? Okay. Snap. Yeah, I'm going to put all my beads in here. And, I don't know. What do you think? You think I should just put the beads in now? Yeah. I don't know, what do you think? I should put the dividers in, or... Let's see. These dividers are like... I don't know, they're not wanting to work properly, or... Maybe I can't see because of the glare. And I don't want to get up to turn off that light. It's giving me a headache. Let's see. I don't know. I think I'm not going to put the dividers in right now. I'm just going to pour the beads in there. And y'all can witness that. I just put like, I don't know. I can't even get this open. You know what? Scissor time. Okay, let me give you a little story. It's story time. Okay. I went to the doctor's yesterday. And, ooh, look at that. It's like a sticker. Ooh, I love that sound. What is this? Anyway, it's a sticker of some sort. Strong strength. Well, you got that right, because they're all stuck to them. But anyway, I went to the doctor's yesterday, and, you know, because I wanted to check out why I was retaining water, and why I was, you know, not losing weight, and why my back was killing me and such. As I went to the doctor's office, doctor's visit was fine. You know, the doctor said they were going to put me on some Mobic. Well, they really didn't say what kind. It was like my man calling from the drugstore just then saying, you know, they got me some Mobic, which that's great because I haven't had Mobic in a long time. And, how you say, wait a minute. Apparently I can't talk and do anything, so just bear with me and, you know, grab some snacks and stuff. Anyway, how you say, the doctor said that, you know, go ahead and take 2 Lasix and, you know, it's just going to give me a double, what do you call it? A double prescription. So I can go ahead and take double of it, of whatever. And then, so the doctor's visit was fine. Okay, I, you know, didn't mind that. Had to go in for x-rays. That's where the shit hit the fan. Okay. And I know that everybody in the whole world has experienced x-rays. For whether for the knee, for the back, whatever. We all know it's very not enjoyable, let's just say. I'm going to throw shade here. I'm going to spill the tea. Oh yes. Girl, it's on. So, here I am at the hospital getting some x-rays. The one technician, she was okay. But the other one, she was a bitch. Okay, let's just put it out there. She's a bitch. And I really never fancied her in my life. But I always thought that she was a bitch. Okay? Alright. I'm going to pause for a minute. This beadwork here. Okay. My man is back, so I'm not going to pause it. I'm just going to tell him I'm doing a video. Whatever. He don't like to be on film. I don't know. Okay. Maybe I can pause it from here. Well, let's just say. I don't think I can. I wish I had a remote. That would be good. I pause from here. Wait, I'll be back. And then here I'm back. Okay. He's coming. He won't talk. Hold on. And we're back. Okay. Now, I don't know where I was at or what I was doing, but oh yeah, the bitch. So, here we have the x-ray, right? I'm going to lay on the table for the x-ray. So, the one girl, she was trying to lay me down, and just laying down from a walking position to a flat is not going to be a happy moment for me. Okay, so she was trying to help me to lay down and everything. I said, I just can't. I said, I can't do it. I said, there's a way that I could probably get situated. So she calls in this one girl who was trying to also help me. Well, let's just say she acted like she was a Nazi She acted like it was Boot Camp Friday from Russia, and I don't mean no disrespect to Russia, Germany, or anybody. I just know how they used to be, and I don't know. But however the situation goes, she was like, Boot Camp Friday, oh my God. So, in the process of her trying to lay me down, they both grabbed me and pulled me down. That's something you don't do to a big woman with a bad back. Okay? That's one strike. Second strike is how they, you know, okay, they lay you down and then put your legs up like this on the flat surface, you know. Okay, good, keep it. And then they took a bunch of pictures, and I couldn't handle it no more. They took like 3 or 4 pictures of my back, and I was like, I've got to get up right now. I said, before I die. She said, you're not going to die. I was like, you don't know the pain. Apparently, they have not experienced back pain ever in their life like I got. They apparently don't. They just, oh, back pain, what's that? You know, they don't know. But you know what? Karma will bite her in the ass. Not both, because the one girl, she was okay. The other one, I mean, she was about, I'm not even joking, she was about this tall. She was this tall. She looked like a fucking troll. You know, one of those little troll dolls that are cute, but this one put an evil face on it. There you have an evil troll. She was so short. I have nothing against short people, okay? Keep in mind. But I could have taken her little head and ripped it right off the way she was talking to me. Now, here's where the tea gets spilt and drank and thrown up. Okay. I went to go turn on my left side. She wanted me to turn on my left side. And I was like, I just can't turn on my left side. I can't be an acrobat here. I have to get up, stretch out, and then get back down on the bed, like, and roll over. Okay? Well, she goes, the first time when I had to lay down, we're not going to be here all day. And she just like, bitch face, we're not going to be here all day. I said, I know that. But, there's nothing I can do. Like, if I go to sleep, I sleep on a nice, soft mattress where I just get on my knees, lay down on my side, and then when my back gets situated, I roll on my back. However, okay, I just couldn't do that on a flat surface. That's just like having the worst pain of all, telling somebody to go ahead and lie on the floor. Can't do it. Can't do it, will not do it. But anyway, I got on, like I said, I got down on my back and I put my legs up like this. So I'm laying like that in position with my back flat, and I'm in excruciating pain. The tears were coming down my eyes, and she says, hold your breath. There's no problem you hold my breath, because I'm already holding my breath from the pain. All right, so here I am laying down, and I feel like all the blood's rushing to my head. And I'm like, oh my God, I'm going to faint, I'm going to die, I'm going to puke. I don't know what's going to happen, okay? And my back was so painful, it's just beyond pain. So I said, I got to get up right now and straighten out my back. Otherwise, I'll paralyze myself forever. And she's like, well, we have to get this done. I was like, I got to get up right now or I'm going to hurt you. Oh. And so she let me get up and everything and let the blood rush back down and get all hoopsie-toopsie. So, I was like standing up and I was like, how am I going to do this? I'm trying to figure out how to get back on this flat surface without killing this bitch. Well, she goes, we're not going to be here all day. And I was like, look, nobody wants to be here more than, I don't want to be here no more than you do. Okay, let's just put it that way. And she's like, looking at me like, I mean, I could have popped her little brain off her little stick body. So I pretended in my mind, I had to get out of my mind. I had to sit down on the edge of the bed, the flat surface, and like kind of pretend like I'm reaching for my purse. And I told her, I said, I'm going to pretend like I'm reaching for my purse so I can, you know, so my mind and my body can come apart. So I laid there and said, oh, you got my purse? So I rolled over on my left side, and then, you know, they situated me and everything. They took picture. They said, okay, we're done. And then she had the gall and nerve to sit there and say, have a nice day. Do you know how bad I wanted to kill her? I don't care who sees this, tells her, she can fuck off. That's all I know. She can fuck off. She made me feel so small and so insignificant that I told on her. I called up that hospital and I said, your little lab technician, your x-ray technician, the tiniest one that you can find, she made me feel like absolute, complete, total shit. Oh, well, we'll do something, you know. She acted like she didn't care. You know, oh, okay, I'll tell somebody about it, but she acted like, you know, maybe that was, you know, not a first time thing. Maybe she has done this before to make people feel bad. And I heard, when I got up off that table, I was really, how you say, lightheaded. I was having such a lightheadedness that I know I would have fell to the floor. So I grabbed that other girl and I was like, oh my God, I said, wait a minute. And then that little tiny bitch troll, she walked away. Oh, for Christ's sake. She, you know, she laughed like, like that. And she, oh, for Christ's sake. Yeah. I could have killed her at that moment. Ripped her fucking little head off. But I didn't. And then when she said, have a nice day, I was like, yeah, okay. I'll have a nice day, all right? Come here, let me pop your head like a little fucking daisy. Here. But anyway, however, I told on her. You know, if you're working, okay, let me tell you something. If you're working in a workplace, in a hospital facility, a doctor facility, I don't care what it is, you're having a bad day, fine, whatever. Have your bad day. Don't treat your customers and clients like a piece of shit. Okay? You don't do that. If I was, you know, like a businesswoman, you know, and somebody was having a bad day, or I was having a bad day, there would be no way on this earth that I would show it. You know, like, oh, my kids are driving me crazy. My husband cheated on me. Ah, and the dog won't stop eating the furniture. I'm not going to take that to work. I'm going to be like, okay, I'm going to shove it off because it ain't nobody else's problem. Okay? I mean, unless I get a call at, you know, at work, you know, I'm working and I give bad news, then I'll be like, oh my God, I have to go home and collect myself, whatever. But I'm not going to sit there and, what's wrong with you? Why are you crying? Or, you know, you in pain? But, you know, no. I don't believe in that. I don't like when people do that in the business place. You either take your shit home and leave it there, or you don't come back, or you just, you know, have a mindset of, well, you know, I'm having a bad day, so I'm going to calm down before you get with a client or a patient or whatever. And this goes for anybody out there who knows how the people are, like on a secretary or a receptionist or anything. Everybody knows that you leave your home problems at home. You gonna climb up in there and get my stuff? Don't do it. Yeah, now you're stuck. You can't go in there and get my yarns, honey. Cat thinks that she can go in my drawers over there and get my yarn. Okay. But anyway, everybody should know that if you're having a bad day, regardless of what happened, you need to leave it at home. I mean, that is absolute. You don't treat people like a piece of shit. You just don't. There'd be people out there who would disagree with me. Well, I'm sorry. But that's the way I feel. I don't think anybody should have a bad day and come to workplace and say, oh my God. You know, look, I'm not the enemy here. Whatever happened in your life, that's on you. But don't sit there and say, oh, for Christ's sake, underneath your breath. And everybody, well, how do you know she said that? Oh, well, I know because I heard her. I've got good ears. I may be fat and overweight and I have a back problem, but there's nothing wrong with my hearing. I did not appreciate that at all. Is why I told on her. There you have it. My little rant story of the day. And now I'm going to shut this off and there you have it. And I will talk to you later. We're done. Have fun. See you later. Bye.